guys, welcome back to another video. Here I have April's gel box, subscription box. It came in this super pretty pink colour. So yeah, let's get straight into it, guys. So first things first is we have this cute little card and it tells us what we're going to get inside. Oh, we've got lots of loose stuff here. So I see a magnet, so I'm guessing we're getting a cat eye. I love cat eyes. Oh, we have our inspiration sticker. Super cute. Oh, we've got some stickers. So we've got some butterflies. And oh, these are textured little flowers. Super pretty. I do like them. Right, nothing else in there. So we don't want to lose stuff. No. So, oh cool, we got another sticker. Cute butterfly. Oh, we have a dotting tool and fine liner brush. Ooh. We have our cuticle oil that we get every month. I super duper like them. Yeah, please ignore my grungy ass nails. Oh, and here we have got, it looks like some pearls and caveat beads. Now these are whole pearls, they look like to me. They're not flat backed. So we'll have to keep that in mind when I am using them. Ooh. Gosh. Didn't want to go back in. Then we have 4 colours that I can see. Oh, no nail file. Oh, sorry. Then they usually put a nail file in their boxes. And this is what they look like. They're 80/180. And believe it or not, they are my favourite nail files to use. Not just the shape, I don't know, I just really like them. I get on really well with them. So I'm actually a bit disappointed there wasn't one in the box. But, you know, that's just me being weird. So the 4 colours we got are here. So let's take a quick look. So this one is called Marshmallow. Whoa, right, okay, this is a builder gel. I can tell from the thickness of it, but a super cute, pretty pink colour. Then we have Fairy Pearl 1. Sorry, I'm just getting the magnet to try and... Yep, this is a cat eye, this green. Super nice colour green, I love that. Then we got Fairy Pearl 2. So we've got 2 cat eyes, have we? And then we've got it in pink. Yes, cool, 2 cat eyes. So in that lovely pink colour. And then we have Peach Melba. Super nice. It looks quite similar to the first one, but looking at the swatches on top of the bottles, it's not. It is slightly different, as you can see. So yeah, I'm just going to go and swatch these and I will be back, guys. Hello guys, and we're back from doing our swatches with the colours we got this month from Britpop. Yes, pup. Yeah, you're knocking all my swatches about. Sorry, it's my puppy. So we're going to go in first with this marshmallow, which is a Biab builder in a bottle. And it is a really nice, super pale pink. Almost the same colour as my skin tone there, which I really do like. Then the next one is just a normal humour-free gel polish called Peach Malba, which is a bit more of a pinky colour. Still pretty. And then these two are cat eyes, and they're from the same collection, from the Fairy Pearl collection. So we've got Fairy Pearl 1, which is the green, and Fairy Pearl 2, which is the pink. So we're going to go in with the green first. And that is what it looks like. It is really nice, but the cat eye effect in it is super subtle. And yeah, the green colour it leaves behind that doesn't, when it's not shining, is super pretty. I really do like it. And then Fairy Pearl 2, which is the same, but in a dusty rose colour. Really nice. And I think these cat eyes are most definitely my favourite out of this little selection. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that stuff. And I'll see you in another video, guys. Bye.